Welcome to Penny's Steam Lab. Hi guys, welcome back to Penny's Steam Lab. Today we're going to be making cloud bread. Cloud bread is really cool. It's this fluffy bread that doesn't need any flour. The secret in this is egg whites. When egg whites are whipped, they get super duper fluffy. What you're going to need is egg white, cornstarch, and sugar.
Stop eating the sugar.
I'm also going to be using food coloring. Before you start, have a parent preheat your oven to 300 degrees, super hot. You're going to add in your egg whites. It's sticking together. Next, I'm going to put my food coloring in. I'm going to make purple, blue, and red. Blue, 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 blue. Red, 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 red. Together we make purple. Now I'm gonna lower and turn on the mixer all the way up.
It looks really dark. Do you think it's going to turn pretty purple or weird purple?
Maybe weird, but I'm hoping. Cross your fingers, guys, out there, that it's pretty purple. I don't want it to be blue purple or bad purple blue. We're going to keep mixing them so this keeps warm. Add in the cornstarch and sugar. Stiff peaks. Now we're gonna put it on a piece of parchment paper. Let me teach you a little trick about parchment paper. If you wrinkle it up into a ball and then flat it out without ripping it, it's easier to put down. Love Martha Stewart. Try to shape it into a dough. I'm gonna have my mom put this in the oven for 15 minutes. So the bread's out of the oven and I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna see if I can tear it open. Weird, but it's kind of sweet. But I would suggest you still do it. I liked making it so much, and a fan of eggs. If you are, it's definitely the right experiment to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! I just want to give out my first shout out, yay! To one of my cousins, Ariana. Thank you so much for suggesting cloud bread, egg white skip.
Let's try again.